Hi, I'm Richard from ITS, and this is a great value Makita two-piece kit that I've got in front of me, involving an impact driver and a combi drill. These are both 18 volt, they are LXT, they're part of the LXT range, they're 18 volt lithium ion tools, and they're compatible with all of Makita's 18 volt LXT batteries, from 1.5 amp hour all the way up to 6 amp hour, and any batteries that Makita introduce into the range in the future. Now these are both brushed tools, so they do have slightly older motors, but they absolutely make up for it in value for money and performance, as I'm about to go through. So not only have we got an impact driver that's perfect for screwdriving applications, we've also got a combi drill, not to be confused with a drill driver, because a combi drill has got all the features and functions of a normal drill driver, but can also be used in masonry. So this combi drill is the DHP482, which is Makita's most popular combi drill to date. And the reason for that is it sort of perfectly weighs up performance and value for money. So although this has got that brushed motor that I mentioned, this will still deliver you 62 Newton meters of torque, which is a really, really good performance from a drill of this class and in that price. So it's not right at the high end of Makita's lines, like the sort of DHP481 with the side handle and the ones that will break your wrist if you're not careful. But it sits really nicely in the middle of that range, delivering on vast majority of jobs at home and on site. Of course, it's got all the features you'd come to expect: 2-speed gearbox, mode selector on the collar. We've got 21 torque settings on the collar as well to choose on once you're in screwdriver mode. LED job light, forward and reverse, variable speed trigger, ergonomic grip, everything you'd come to expect. Very similar to this, the DTD152, which is Makita's most popular impact driver in the LXT range as well. Very, very similar, brushed motor, but very, very impressive performance. So if you're going to be screwdriving, impact driving, absolutely perfect for you when you're on site or doing things domestically. This will deliver you 165 Newton meters of torque, so it just goes to show whereabouts it is in the range. Incredibly impressive bit of kit. As you'd expect, forward and reverse, we've got the LED job light and the variable speed trigger, and then this of course accepts your 1/4 inch hex shank for your impact driver bits there as well. So there you go, that is two of Makita's most popular tools in their entire range, and we've put them together in this brilliant value Makita two-piece kit, now available at ITS.